Hey foodies! It's Mihaela from delish.com and today I'm gonna show you how to make garlic butter chicken. Whenever I'm looking for a flavorful protein dish to brighten up my dinner, I turn to this amazing pan-fried chicken. Nothing beats it, I'm telling you! Lay the chicken breast on a clean chopping board and cut 4 to 6 parallel lines, but don't go all the way through. Next, cut a second set of perpendicular lines. Scoring will help the chicken cook evenly. On a shallow plate, mix the flour with salt and pepper. Dredge the chicken breasts in the flour, making sure they're covered on both sides. Heat the oil and 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add the chicken breast and cook for about 7 to 8 minutes per side, or until fully cooked through and no longer pink in the inside. Set aside and cover to keep warm. In the same preheated pan, sauté the garlic for about 30 seconds. Add the wine and use a wooden spoon to scrape off any brown bits stuck on the bottom of the pan. Add the remaining 3 tablespoons of butter to the pan, stirring continuously as it melts to get a smooth sauce. Stir in the parsley, chili flakes, and return the chicken to the pan, spooning over the garlic butter sauce. It's like it gets better every time I cook it. I'm really happy to share this recipe with you. It's a staple in our household and hopefully in yours too. That was it for today, foodies. Thank you for watching. To get the full recipe plus super useful tips and tricks, just click the link below or go search it on delish.com. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of my amazing community of foodies. Last but not least, let me know what you think about this recipe in the comments below. See you next time!